Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the World of Tanks connection error and solve server connection issue on PC.
Fix 1. Restart game and PC. Step 1. Close World of Tanks completely. Step 2. Restart your PC. Step 3. Launch the game again. Fix 2. Check internet connection. Step 1. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Step 2. Switch to a wire connection if possible. Step 3. Test internet speed to confirm stability. Fix 3. Run game as administrator. Step 1. Right. Click the World of Tanks shortcut. Step 2. Select Run as administrator. Step 3. Try connecting to the servers again. Fix 4. Disable VPN proxy. Step 1. Turn off any VPN or proxy. Step 2. Restart your game. Step 3. Try connecting again. Fix 5. Allow game through firewall. Step 1. Go to Windows Security Firewall. Step 2. Click Allow an app through firewall. Step 3. Allow World of Tanks X for both private and public networks. Fix 6. Repair game files. Step 1. Open the Wargaming Game Center. Step 2. Select World of Tanks. Step 3. Click Check and Repair.